day in the concrete jungle of Newell, an elephant named Morton played hooky from school. He was chillin' on the stoop, just piecing on the block, when onto his trunk landed a tiny crack rock. He thought,
I could sell this, make $5 or $6.
but then he heard a tiny voice that hollered.
What?
Morton listened closely and held very still. He could hear tiny voices in the town of Whatville. They were having a party with a DJ in the cut, and everybody was yelling, What? Morton had a new purpose. He felt a new drive to hide the rock and keep the party alive. He walked down the street, and out of the blue, he came face to face with Crackhead Kangaroo. She was shaking and twitching. Her eyelids were black. She said,
Morton, I'll suck your cock for that crack.
well, sometimes an elephant just has to nut. So that was the end of the world of...
Wow, I can't believe I'm finally getting LASIK surgery.
Wow, I can't believe they sold a laser to a rabbit.
Family of codependent hippos enable a bizarre compulsion.
Oh, Mr. Piccolo, that hurts.
You can whine, you can fight.
Doing to him.
Piccolo, you're going up the river for the kidnapping, brainwashing, radicalization, and training of a minor in deadly combat.
You fools! 2 giant space apes are coming to conquer Earth. This 4-year-old and I are your only chance of stopping them.
Mr. Piccolo is gonna get the help he needs, son. Want some McDonald's?
No need. Mr. Piccolo gives me all the senzu beads I can eat.
Well, kid, they don't need to know about the senzu beans.
Must be some new strain of angel dust.
Get in the van, you sicko!
Hi, yes, 30 boxes of Sudafed, please.
Smurf?
I mean, Sudafed. Smurf that up.
We don't sell to Smurfs.
I'm not a Smurf. I hate Smurfs. What's a Smurf?
Smurfs are what we call people who buy Sudafed to make crystal meth.
We are not here to make meth. We are here, I am here because Papa Smurf, Papa Human Being Person, has a bad head cold and asked me to buy some cold Metasmurf for him. Nailed it.
I need to see some ID.
Of course. Smurf on a sec. Handy, smurf me out here. Handy is what I call my hand. Oh, here you go.
This ID is made of cardboard.
Hey, Brainy, smurf him this.
We all chipped in and smurfed you a gift. And again, by we, I mean me.
Odd, but okay.
Got it, Hefty! Get us out of here! Woo-hoo! We're gonna get so smurfing high!
I'm gonna smurf Crank right into my eyeball.
Here, hon. I bought you some toys.
Moon shoes. Thanks, Mom. You want to watch me bounce?
Oh, sorry, honey. It's Mommy's meth time.
Look at these. These are so cool. Now, how do these shoes work?
Shit!
What is happening?
You stupid Earthlings, equip your brood with shoes that catapult them into the heavens. We trap them to work as captives on our diarrhea mines of Mazashi 12.
Diarrhea mines? Not today.
Soccer boppers, the Mazashi's only weakness.
Have a little sock.
And the bopping. No, I am defeated. But you will not survive.
Give it time. Mom, the moon shoes blasted me into outer space, but this skip, it saved me.
Oh, no, sweetie. The moon shoes broke your ankles almost immediately. You fell and cracked your skull open. This whole adventure is just the last of your neurons firing randomly before you die.
Moon shoes.
90s toys, we were there for you when your parents were on meth.